Shoot, I got one. That's right, Nadra. You've been troublemaking man, you're suspended for 3A12345. That is right, Oriole 2. You are suspended for 3,000,000,000,000. That's right, Mr. James. You are suspended for Mr. James Hughes. That is right, Rocky Wang. You are suspended for 100 years. Go to the principal's office right now. That is right, Turkey Lurkey. You are suspended for 100 million years. Go to the principal's office and have an extreme detention slip. That's right, else you're suspended for 8,000 years. Go to the principal's office and scream like a stickman. Ha 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 ha. That was so much fun here. Om. I got the 0. Can I please have another chance? I'll begin to force it. If you don't, I'll destroy this behavior child state.